In this video, I'll show you how you can design tail bearing trusses in Mitek Structures. We'll input the ceiling planes with the same pitch as the roof planes. And then we'll input a flat ceiling with a vertical offset with whatever height we want the ceiling to have from the top plate. We'll then cut the planes. And then we'll input our trusses. So the bottom chord of the truss will end here in this intersection of these two ceiling planes. And the top chord will go to the start of the wall. Same thing on the other side. We'll then select the roof planes. And for the ceiling planes, we'll only select the flat ceiling. We will now enter the truss profile and change the top chord size to whatever size we want it to be. In this case, we'll use a 2x10. For the bearing points to be recognized, we have to make this change here in member materials. And as you can see, since this is not a tail bearing truss, when we change the top chord, it stayed a 2x4 because we now need to make this change here in tail and top chord. We now have to cut the top chord of the truss so that the bearing width ends up being 3.5 inches. For that, we'll input a horizontal line here in this intersection, and then we'll cut the truss. Now we'll adjust the roof plane heel height so that it matches the one shown in the truss. The truss is now ready to be analyzed.